Today we're making no-bake oatmeal bars. 4 ingredients, that's it. Oatmeal, dates, quinoa, and nuts. Make up a pan of these and stick them in your fridge for a grab-and-go snack.
If you want to know when the next episode drops, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Hi Viewer fam, this is Richa from CoachViewer.com. Let's go. Hey there, if you want to know when the next episode drops, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Until then, keep crushing it.